Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are just going to season some chicken. I've already washed it a bit and clean it up, so I'm just gonna finish the process. I'm gonna put some vinegar. Gonna wash it with some lemon juice, but firstly washing it with some vinegar. It's not much chicken, so we don't need much. It's just one time eat. We didn't want so much. We didn't want to do too much. I've already removed the skin and I clean it up. I'm gonna put a little lemon now. Wash it off with some lemon. The water is hot. Hot water. Put some lemon. I think that's it. We don't want to overwash it. Knowing myself, I can overwash. Wash too much, see? I'm going to drain the excess water. Drain the excess water. Then wash our hand, because salamine, what's the name, Miracle? Salamina or salam or whatever it is. Salo whatever. Is it, what is it, Miracle? Some salo something. So we have to wash, dry our hands, and we get seasoning. So we're using everything. I'm gonna use everything. That's onion granule. I'm doing everything. I'm using chili cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna everyday seasoning. I'm just doing all seasoning. Chicken seasoning. We run out of paprika, so we're using no black pepper, so we're using white pepper. Garlic powder, a bit of garlic powder. I've got shit gonna make me want to sneeze now. No good. A bit of thyme. We got a bit of scallion. scallion, or they call it spring onion. In Jamaica, we call it scallion, but other people, they call it other country, they call it spring onion. But in Jamaica, we used to eat like scallion. Scallion. We haven't got we only got frozen onion, a runner of onion, so I just got frozen. Just using what we got at the minute. Then we'll mix it up. It's gonna look, because I can't believe I run out of pepper. I run out of everything. We buy a few things I think yesterday, but we didn't remember those stuff. I find some frozen pepper. We haven't got the other pepper, so frozen pepper has to do. Clean up. We're doing some cleanup. This is what it looks like now. So we're going to cover it, leave it to set overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to think of what to do. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so tomorrow I'll think of what to do with it. All the seasoning isn't because I didn't have everything, but I just use what I got. Every little make a muckle, isn't it? So tomorrow we'll make something with it. That's our marinated chicken looking. I did put a few bits on it because it wasn't looking too lovely. So I did put a few bits on it this morning. Just a few more. It looks much better, isn't it? I got a couple more. So that's our marinated chicken looking.